Today I am going to share crispy and crunchy pakore of vegetable. Bihari dish looks exactly like thekua. Stay tuned till the last. If you are new on the video, then like, subscribe, share and don't forget press the bell icon.
A few moments
So
later.
let's start making. First I have boiled one onion, one tomato, two potatoes. Have taken a bowl of medium size chopped cabbage. I have taken gram flour according to the vegetable. In spicy 1 tablespoon cumin seed, turmeric powder color according, black pepper half tablespoon, red chili powder taste के according, baking soda half tablespoon and taste के according salt. First mix all the ingredients together. Now mix the chopped cabbage. Agar pumpkin taste mix will do. What happened to pumpkin? Squeeze the water from gourd. Mix all the spices. To make the vegetable tight, mix a little gram flour. Do not soak the oil inside the pakora, for that 1 spoon of oil will be mixed in the vegetable. To make crispy and crunchy pakora, not throw tomato water. Similarly, fry all. You also made my side very well. So see, pakora is ready, crispy and crunchy. If you like my video recipe more, than share it your friends, your relative, your neighbor. So till then, bye bye, thank you, take care, see you again in next video.